Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm Ali Hammer, and today we're joined with Thomas Richman, an Enterprise Account Manager here at AWS. Thomas, welcome to the show. Can you start by telling our audience a little bit about what you do as an account executive here at AWS?
Thanks, Ali. Great to be here. I guess really simply, my role as an account exec is to ensure that the commercial objectives of the business are aligned with the technical objectives as well. Just making sure that the support that AWS provides across the business is aligned so that we're all pulling in the same direction and that the business can go out there and grow or be profitable or whatever it is it's looking to do.
Thanks so much, Tom. And what does your day-to-day look like?
Day-to-day varies a lot. It's usually coordinating everything from the technical account team, managing our internal stakeholders as they engage with each customer, right through to looking at what the customer's projects are that they're working on and the support that we can provide there, and then all the way down into the commercials of making sure that the customers as cost optimized as possible. Then we've got the usual team meetings, internal meetings, emails, and just the day-to-day of being an account exec. So yeah, it's pretty varied, but always challenging, which is nice.
One thing I'm smiling because I actually used to be in your role before this role. And when you say, optimizing accounts, it's so true. As a salesperson, normally in a company, you've got a target and you're looking at how you can increase spend. But one thing that's so unique to Amazon and so incredible is that I remember my first day, my boss said to me, here at Amazon, we really want to help everybody reduce their bill and cost optimize. And it was so incredible to earn the trust of the customers and actually show all my accounts how you can reduce their bill. So it's pretty cool that's one of the things that we're encouraged to do here at Amazon.
Yeah, definitely.
Thomas, I know you love, the really fast pace and the speed at which we operate here at AWS, but what is the best thing about, being an account exec at AWS?
So I think working at AWS, you carry a lot of responsibility because AWS is such an integral part of so many of the customers that I work with. And as a result of that, you get a lot of exposure to the senior leadership of each customer that you work with, because you're a really key part of them being able to deliver on behalf of their customers. So the thing I love most is really understanding the work that they're doing and their objectives, and then working across an entire business to make sure that we're doing everything we can to put them in the position to be successful. And it's really around sort of understanding, their problems and where we can sort of step in and help. So that's easily the most exciting part for me.
Well, Thomas, you have some of the coolest accounts here at AWS. I featured, I think, 5 or 6 of them on the show here. You get to see projects that, as you say, you work on come to life as an actual customer. So that's pretty cool. And I guess what sort of backgrounds you need to be an account exec? Because we're actually both ex-lawyers. I think from memory, you're an ex-lawyer too. So, do you have any tech experience? I definitely didn't. I didn't study anything tech related in uni or school. So how did you land the job? Do you think you need prior experience in tech, or how did you land up here?
Yeah, so look, it was actually one of the things that was almost what held me back from applying was my lack of technical experience. As you mentioned, I used to work as a lawyer for a brief period when I first moved out of university and then moved into tech. The fundamentals are really the same, which is just making sure you understand the customer, understand what they want to achieve, and then making sure that you're delivering a solution that makes sense for them in the commercial context of their business. So I think if you're already sort of working in that area, it's a really great skill set to bring in. And then I've been fortunate enough to have some really strong technical and non-technical mentors within AWS who've helped me identify what's important for me to know and what you can sort of leave for other people in the team and just have a general understanding of so that they can go deep. So I think it's that curiosity and interest in learning, and then making sure that whatever you deliver is, the best option for the customer is key. And then the technical stuff can come along, because as any technologist will tell you, it's impossible to know it all. And I just happen to be at the top end of that, as opposed to some of the deep experts that we have.
I love it. I couldn't agree more. Just go and apply for the role. Anyone can learn anything. That's my philosophy, as long as you're passionate about it and you care about it. So apply for the role if you're interested in an account manager role here at AWS. We certainly didn't know anything about tech. We just had that passion for it. So thank you so much, Thomas. If anyone has any questions about account managers, how you get a job at AWS, or any questions for Thomas, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thanks so much.